Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. This week I'm going to show you how I put together the setup for this shot. I call it a fine edition. I'll also show you how I edited my image in Photoshop. I used a whole bunch of Black Series figures this time. We've got Aayla, Secura, and General Grievous, several B1 Battle Droids, and two IG-100 MagnaGuards, which my dad got me for Christmas. Thanks, Dad! My ground surface for this shot was a floor mat for a reptile terrarium that I got at the pet store. I laid it over some cinder blocks so I could make the ground surface level with the bottom of my background TV. After turning that TV on, I posed and placed my figures. I used a shallow depth of field to focus on our Jedi's face right at the bottom of the frame in an attempt to evoke a sense of downward force. Grievous was powerful, but holding down a Jedi Master was a team effort and required the help of his loyal bodyguards. After the main subjects were in place, I strategically placed a few battle droids to fill in some more of my frame. At the same time, I carefully inserted some single pink LEDs behind the electricity effects on the MagnaGuard's electrostaffs. All that was left was to turn off the room lights and take my shot. But before that, here's a quick look at my lighting setup. In addition to the pink LEDs, I had a ring light on the right, a medium panel light up top, and a small panel light on the left. Here's my original exposure. This didn't need a ton of editing, just a few touch-ups and a bit of special effects. I started by adding adjustment layers for light levels and color balance. Next, I used the brush tool with some layer effects to add some glow to the electrostaffs. After a slight crop, I used a variety of tools to touch up the background. Then, I edited out the articulation joints and did some dodging and burning. Lastly, I added some glow to the MagnaGuard's torso and eyes. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's my final edit. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and checking me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time!